Incentra is a Norwegian cooperative, and our members or owners are the Norwegian shipping companies. We have a code of conduct where all the ESG requirements are listed, and we are ensuring that the suppliers are working continuously with the requirements that we have to them.
From your perspective, are the ship owners and the ship owning companies, are they interested in this area, or are there other main concerns?
They are of course faced with the requirement that they have to reduce emissions by 2030 by 55%. And that's the main focus at the moment. It's really difficult. We had a question to all the participants at the conference. We asked them, so you think you can make this transition now to 2030 and be carbon neutral in 2050? That's the requirements. If you don't reach them, you're out of business. And about 80% raise their hand and say yes.
Sounds very good. Yeah, it's very ambitious.
I hope it's realistic.
The maritime area is of course very international.
Yeah.
But I think it's probably good for serious companies that there is actually a power behind these requirements now.
Yeah, the changes that are required here is, I mean, it must be the biggest transition ever in this industry. It's a huge transition.
Yeah. From Factlines side, we work with to try to support these processes with the software and with at least to take the bulk of getting the information in.
Yeah.
Are you comfortable with software in this ESG space?
Yeah, of course, and we are using Factlines software to check. So we have a self-assessment questionnaire. So every supplier in Incentra, they have to answer that questionnaire.
I know actually when you started using this in 2016 already.
Yes.
I know that some of the suppliers were not so ready to be asked about these questions, but I think this is changing.
The suppliers in the beginning, of course, they didn't like to have all these questions. But now they are quite happy because we are representing 30 customers of them. So instead of each customer going and asking the same question, we are doing it on behalf of all our members. So they save a lot of time.
Do you have an impression of whether the buyers are ready to pay more for things to be more sustainable?
When you are starting up, it will always be more expensive for the end users, for the consumers, to select the green alternative than the traditional alternative. We see a change in that also, that the greener products are more expensive, but the users are willing to pay more for green solutions than they did before.
Now is changing.
Definitely.
It's very interesting. Thank you very much.
Thank you.